Hi guys, it's Asia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do this often braid out. It looks gorgeous, much more than I expected. I'm still getting used to doing the braid outs. Usually I do twist outs and I got tired of that, just always looking like it was really fluffy. So get more definition with the braid out. And I also use perm rods at the end. I use Camille Rose products and that's really it. And it came out pretty good, as you can see. But yeah, so let's get into it. You can also check out this video here on how to do a high puff with a curly bang. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and see you guys later. Bye.
For this style, I will be using two of my favorite products, which is the Camille Rose Curlaide Moisture Butter and the Coconut Water Style Setter. I will also be using an oil mix I make myself. If you guys want the recipe, just let me know in the comments. I'm starting off with 3-day-old hair. I section my hair into 4, then spray my hair with water and add the moisturizer, being sure to work it through to cover all of my hair and finger detangling at the same time. I seal everything in using my oil mix. Using a wide tooth comb, I start detangling my hair at the ends, working my way up to the roots. I then use the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. I have tried many detanglers since being natural, but this by far is the best one. To set the style, I am using the Coconut Water Style Setter. Now that my hair is moisturized and detangled, I put about 12 braids in my hair. I braid my hair in the direction I want it to fall. You want to make sure that the braids are tight and not loose. This way you get great definition. Smoothing out the ends, I tightly wrap it around the perm rod.
powerful. It may be that which holds the stars in the firmament.
Once you're done, cover your hair with a satin cap to help keep the moisture in your hair.
Feel in my heart. That's what I feel in. That's what I feel in my heart. That's what I feel in my heart.
Using a light oil, here I'm using avocado oil, which is my favorite. I start to take out the braids. Then I separate my hair 1 to 2 more times. The more you separate, the more volume there will be.
That's what I feel in my heart. That's what I feel in my heart.
Love, it may be that which pushes and urges the blood in the veins to love. Love, courage. You have to have courage to love somebody.
Using a hair pick, I fluff up my roots just a little.
Love is a condition so powerful. It may be that which holds the stars in the firmament.
That's what I feel in my heart.
To give my hair some length, I use a blow dryer on medium heat.
That's what I feel in my heart. That's what I feel in my heart. That's what I feel in my heart.
And that's it, a beautiful defined braid out. Go ahead and shake it out. Here are 2 quick style ideas for you to try, using hairpins and Eco Styler Gel. Let me know in the comments how you like them.
That's what I feel in my heart. 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 That's what I feel in my heart.